Welcome again to Quantum Online Maths. Okay, today we are going to delve into inverse variation. Okay, we are giving a particular example. Okay, let's see. It's a given that y varies inversely as the square of x and y is 8 when x is 2. It's a find the equation connecting y and what x. Calculates the value of y when x is 6 and x when y is what 2. Okay, now in inverse variation it simply means when one quantity is increasing, the second quantity is decreasing. Okay, the relationship implies that one must be increasing and the other is what decreasing. But in direct variation we did last week, it was not so. In direct variation, when one is increasing, the other is increasing. But in this case, if x is increasing, y is decreasing. Okay, if y is increasing, then x is what decreasing. Okay, so let's approach this question and bring solution to this problem. Okay, now we are told to find the equation connecting the what? The relationship. We are told that y varies inversely. Inversely means 1 over, okay? 1 over what? X. That is inverse. Inverse means 1 over, okay? So it varies as the inverse of what? X, but it is the square of x. Is that okay? So y is inversely proportional to what? X squared. Okay, that is the statement. So the equation will now imply introducing what? Proportional constants, which means that y is equal to what? K over what? X squared. So that is the equation that brings about this what statement. Okay, now we are told that y is 8 when x is what? 2. So in other words, it means that 8 is equal to what? 2 raised to power what? 2. And we know that 2 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 4. Okay, so it implies that 8 is equal to what? K divided by what? 4. Okay, and when you cross multiply, you have that k multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 8 will give you what? 32. Is that okay? 32. So the value of what? K is 32. Now we were told to calculate y when x is what? 6. Okay, so it then means that y is equal to what? We know that y is equal to k divided by what? X squared. Is that okay? But we are told that x is what? 6. Okay, and we've calculated our k to be what? 32. Okay, so 6 raised to power what? 2. And we know that 6 raised to power 2 will give us what? 36. Okay, so you have what? Over 36. So 32 divided by 36 will give us the value of what? Y. Okay, so now we are told again to find the value of what? X when y is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, but we know that the equation says that y is equal to k over what? X squared. And y we are given to be what? 1 over 2, which is equal to what? K over what? X squared. Okay, so you can cross multiply. You have what? X squared is equal to, okay, 2 multiplied by k. And we know that k is what? Originally 32. Okay, x squared is equal to what? 2 multiplied by what? 32. And 2 multiplied by 32 will give us what? Will give us what? 64. Okay, and x is equal to square root of what? 64. Okay, and the square root of 64 we know that is equal to what? Is equal to 8. So in other words, x is equal to what? 8. Okay, so these are the two solutions. Y is what? 32 over 36, and x is equal to what? 8. Very simple solution.